everybody, this is Sydney from Creative Pizzazz. Today I want to show you a little canvas that I made for my grandmother. All it is a 10 by 8 canvas. It's not really thick. And what I did was I used, to cut out the bird and the stem, I used home decor for the cricket. And I used that one right there. Little bird. And then I used that one right there. Y'all can't see. And I cut the bird out in white cardstock, and then I painted it with Moon Shadow Mist by Lindy Stamp Gang Buccaneer Bay Blue. It turned out really pretty. And then on the feet and the breast, and that right there, the beak, I colored it in Crow's Nest Copper. Can you see it? There. See it? How it shines. And that's just regular brown oak paper, cardstock. And what I did for the board, I used I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's called Cloudless. It's a apple barrel.
Dauber top.
It's a dauber top.
But you didn't use the dauber top.
No, I didn't use the dauber top. I just went over it, and what I did was I went like over the stuff I already done, and it made it lighter. It made it lighter. You can't see that, but I did.
We really thinned out the paint so that it would give her some light and some dark areas, but you can't really tell that on the video.
Yeah. And for the little leaves that I did, I used Craft Smart
Lush Foliage.
Lush Foliage. It was a dauber top. What I did, was I just took it and I just like that. I just twisted it to make the leaves. They turned out really pretty. And probably most of y'all are wondering what I used to put glue down or tape down the bird and the stems. What I did was I used
Tombow
multi-purpose glue.
Just because it's got a fine point.
Yes.
You say that, so it's got a fine point.
It has a fine point. So it really helped.
And I can cut out where I'm talking.
And so that's what I did. And to make the stem, like the stem wasn't really staying down that well. So what we did was we used an X-Acto brayer. This brayer. So it would go down more and everything. And it just turned out really, really nice. Can you see all that? The shine and everything. The light. Blue. Mom said she really, really wants one. I said maybe. And then I have another thing that I wanted to show y'all. Is I made this for someone special. And all I did was I used a die cut and cut out the bird. And the die cut out a pink wing. But it was kind of going to blend in with the pink. So I used a black one. Kind of turned out pretty. And then I took, remember what color I did that? I did it the background white, and then I used a texture for the black die cut note. And then had a circle, and it kind of had, yeah. What we did was we cut like, what we did was we cut a butterfly, or like we just did like a white circle behind it, and you can probably tell it right there, but we, what we did was we took the pink and we just ran it through the thing,
Big shot.
the big shot, and then it turned out to, and we put it on this,
It cut out the butterfly.
yeah, and the pink
you
circle.
used the part that was left. You didn't use the butterfly. So
Yeah, I just used this because I thought it was really pretty. And then I took
black soot distressing.
black soot distress thing, and I put it right there. I put it on the edges. And then we took some yarn,
Fiber.
and like it was pink. We just did that. I hadn't really put anything in the inside, but thank you for stopping by.